play drum spot ever. I wish, better drummer. He is the one. Don't be inspired by second best. It might feel like you're nailing it. You are the best. Hello drummers, welcome back to the channel. I'm Chris. Today we're talking about how you can become better quicker with these easy steps. When I look back at my drumming career and when I was starting to learn, there are quite a few things that I would do differently in hindsight. To save you time, I've put together those things for you. I hope this is useful. Let's get started. The first thing when you start playing is to make sure you're having fun. But very quickly, after you've discovered that drums is the thing you want to do and you want to play drum spot ever, is that you need to learn the foundations. Learn your rudiments, learn how to read music. It's going to make such a difference when you progress. The longer you leave those things, the harder it is to come back to them. And I tell you what, rudiments is something I put some time into, but I wish I'd focused on a bit more in the early days. Hindsight, hey? Oh, and just a tip, you don't have to spend a long time on your rudiments. Just pick one every week and just do 10 minutes after each practice session, focusing on that one rudiment. It all adds up and it makes a difference. The second tip is to get a drum tutor. Get someone who's better than you to teach you the way. The other thing is to make sure you don't stick with one tutor too long. What I did was I had a tutor for about 5 years, an absolutely amazing guy, great player. But I wish after maybe a year or two, I'd taken my learnings and gone, okay, it's time to find that next guy who's a bit better to drive me more and to learn more and become a better drummer. When looking for tutors, for me, I think you need to find someone that is substantially better than you. So you know that they are teaching you and you have a lot to learn and that they can teach you a lot. You need to make sure that they're driving you in the right direction. Even if you're at that really advanced level, you can still find a tutor. There's always someone better than you. And remember, nowadays, a lot of people have online courses and a lot of drummers do Skype lessons. So even if you can't find anyone locally, get online, find someone that you think is an incredible player and learn from them. Hey, you enjoying this video so far? If you are, drop a like on this video, subscribe to the channel, it really helps me out. Thank you. The next one sounds really obvious, but you need to make sure you are inspired by the right drummers. Some drummers might be in your favourite band, which is great, but they might not be the best drummer to be learning from. If you're focused on a certain genre, try and find the best drummer in that genre, the one that every other drummer is looking up to and going, he is the one, he's where we need to be. That's the guy you want to find, and that's the guy you want to be inspired from. Don't be inspired by second best, be inspired by the best. If you're not sure who to be inspired by, a few quick tips for you. Get on YouTube and find some amazing drummers. There's loads of amazing people out there, go find some. If you want something beyond YouTube, Drumeo is an excellent resource for finding incredible drummers. These drummers, they're top tier players, and they're giving away some really great secrets on there. Go get involved. If you still can't find anyone new to be inspired by, go find your current favourite drummers and find out who they're inspired by. There you go. The next one is to diversify your learning. If you want to become the best drummer and find your unique voice, you need to learn from a few different genres. If you want to be a metal drummer and all you do is study metal drummers and learn everything they know, you're just going to be a really, really good metal drummer. There's nothing wrong with that, but you're not going to stand out from the crowd. You're not going to have anything that makes you unique over everyone else. This next one is probably the hardest one, but it's probably one of the most rewarding ones, is you need to be critical of your own playing. Record yourself either on your phone, whatever it may be. The quality doesn't have to be perfect. It just has to be good enough for you to listen and watch back and see how you're actually playing. Sometimes when you're playing, it might feel like you're nailing it. You're killing that groove, you are the best. But in reality, you might be a little bit off. And the only way to know is by recording and listening back and being critical. If you can be critical of yourself, it's going to make you a better player. You want to focus on improving the things you're not so good at. That'll make you a better drummer. Playing the same things over and over again that you're already good at will not help you get better. And speaking of reviewing your own playing, that's something I did recently in another video. If you want to see that, me reacting to some of my old videos, seeing how I thought I used to play, then check out this video. Right now. Or, whoa. You can check out this video that may or may not be out yet, which is my advice for those drummers looking to go pro. The things that I would have done differently. So, yeah, which one are you going for? Make your mind up wisely.